Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch multi-spoke alloys, black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, third row seating package, rear heated seats, rear climate controls, towing package with trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, premium 1 package with active blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a dark gray linden wood trim, heated seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, new to Mercedes-Benz's are MBUX. You can give it simple voice by commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, change ambient light to red."
Please repeat.
Change ambient lights to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to give it voice commands. Dual climate controls, NFC wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for our infotainment center, parking cameras, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLE has 16,850 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.